Ma'am, 23rd August, Piada Youth Association Bonara is happening and your ward is participating. So how's the preparation is going on?
Now I'm talking about the Bonera, which started. The Bonera was started by the Komnidar, and we had two Boneras actually. One is Malar Bonera and one is Diwar, which is Golti Naveli Bonera. And this was just it is a Bonera, meaning it is a flag festival. And while they brought out this flag festival, it went round the village with a brass band. The brass band played with the flags, and then the flags they came to a spot near the. After going through the village, they come to a spot where at least at the boundary. They had to just stop at their boundary, and then they go back. It is one Golti and one is Naveli. So both the teams had to do the same thing. They come up to the boundary and they go back. So this continued for many years. And once this was stopped, the PYA took it over. And like they too also, in the beginning they just had just some plain Bonera without any floats or anything, just with the flags and with the brass band. And then there was some like fancy dress. There were some old people participating in that, like one Hapulle, one Hapri, and then just to come with the photos. There was what is called that. They used to come with the photos. It was like local gun, and then they shoot at the. It was to shoot at the flags. Instead, they used to shoot at the people also. Anyway, and then it was a bit of a problem, and then it was stopped somehow.
Ma'am, how many years it's been you've been a part of the Bonera?
I feel like about now 40-50 years.
So what are the major changes you've seen over the years?
Yeah, now of course, now since the PYA has taken it over, we are having the floats. It is like a competition. Each one does their own role. And it's now more of
the competition levels have gone a little more higher. Every ward wants to showcase their talent. It's a platform to showcase your talent in dancing, talent of creating your own song, आपलेत ऑब्जेक्ट करपाचे आनी सगळे आखो coordination. Today, earlier floats were with few members. Today we have more than 50-60 as participants only in the float. Kon object depict करता, kon dance and part घेता. Somebody is taking charge of the costume. Someone is talking about what kind of accessories they will use for the entire look, how the entire look will be carried forward on that particular day. And the day starts in the morning with the Alvarar. Yeah? So they started early morning around about 5:30. They started right from the PYA club. The Pyadar Youth Association has been a boon for all the youngsters in Diwar. They all look forward to Gondera. Might be even a toddler class child to an elderly working couple, or like Aunt Maria, who's here for the last 40-50 years. She's been involved in the spirit of Gondera because she's also born and brought up in Diwar and lived in Diwar all her life. So Gondera has been very close to everybody. Each and everyone gathered here is very close to Gondera, and vice versa. Gondera is close to all of us in our hearts.
मॅडम तुमची थोडी सोंग्सां पळय बोनेराची ती व्हायरल वयता सो ही कोण बरयता सोंग्सां?
आता कॉम्पिटिशन लेवल इतलें वाडलां, एवरी वॉर्ड वॉन्ट्स टू हॅव अ बेटर साऊंड दॅन दी अदर. आतां आदी तरी गांवांतलेच बरयताले, आजून पासून आमचे गांवचेच मनीस बरयता, कांतार करता. आमचे जायते तियात्रीस आहा दिवाडी. वी हॅव होल ड्रामा थिएटर आर्टिस्ट ओवर हियर, सो दे ऑल्सो हेल्प अस in writing a song, singing a song, music is composed for the song. ह्या भाशेन सगळीं वावुरता एकवट. It is a unity of every person of the ward that comes forward.
प्रायवेट टू इव्हेंट फेस्टिवल कितके दीस पयलीं तुमी प्रॅक्टीस स्टार्ट करता?
उमेद आहा ते परमणे एक म्हयन्या पयलीं पासून स्टार्ट करता. पण आतां आमचे सगळे डान्सर्स प्रो जाले, सो एक वीक 10 दीस आदी आमी स्टार्ट करता.
मॅम जेन्ना तुमी प्रॅक्टीस स्टार्ट करता सो मेजर चॅलेंजींग फॅक्टर कितें आसता?
टायमार पावप, बिकॉज टुडे एवरीबडी इज वेरी बिजी and devoting your time to a social event is quite a challenge. It's not an easy task. So getting everybody present at a particular time to start is the biggest challenge, I feel.
जेन्ना तुमचो फ्लोट परेड चालू जाता तेन्ना आमकां धाकटी भुरगीं दिश्टी पडटा, यूथ दिश्टी पडटा, सिनियर दिश्टी पडटा. तुमी जे कॅरेक्टर बा दिता तांकां सो हे कशें डिवायड करता तुमी आनी इतकें परफेक्शनान कशें हाडटा की तुमचें लिपसिंग एक्सप्रेशन खूब परफेक्शनान वयता तुमी.
Umed is the word. They are born with that umed, they come with that umed. And त्यात उमेदीन ती नाचता आणि the display is all the enthusiasm that they have built in themselves.
मॅडम तुमचे 40+ बीन पार्टिसिपंट आसता सो तुमकां ते एसेसरीज क्लोथ्स आनी इक्विपमेंट बा लागता पळय तितून बीन कितें तुमकां चॅलेंजींग आसता सगळें मेवता तुमकां?
एक पाटी सगळे एका सुवातेर मेवना, सो आमकां ते सोर्स करचें पडटा. Sometimes we have gone down to South Goa also to accessorize or to get costumes. Because today Bondara is growing on a global platform as well. So the competition level has to meet standards. So for that we all put in equal effort. सगळीं जाणां वावुरता for making this event a grand success.
मॅम एवरी वर्ड न्हू पियादाद यूथ एसोसिएशना वांगडा कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट सायन करता त्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचेर कितें आसता कॉन्टेंट?
Will our Shisha will speak on it.
The contract basically states the rules and regulations of the float, how it has to be, what is required, what if we are when we are selecting the themes, what can be included in the themes, what we cannot. It also gives like the length of the float, the props that we do, how that has to be done. So mostly all rules and regulations are written in the contract, and it is given to each ward prior to Bondara, and we have the members of the ward have to sign and return it back to the committee.
म्हाका सांग पियादाद यूथ एसोसिएशनाक खबर आसता तुमी खंयचे थीम घेवपाचे आहा तांकां बीन सांगता तुमी?
ना, it is individual. It is a wardaचे depend असतं private.
बाय
It is
चान्स
not revealed.
बाय चान्स तुमी जो थीम घेतला समज दुसऱ्या वॉर्डान जो सेम थीम घेतला कॉन्फ्लिक्ट जावं शकना?
जायना अजूनपासून आय डोंट थिंक
एकच पाटी झालं. आमच्या वाड्यांनी एक थीम घेतलेलो सेव्ह दी अर्थ, फ्री फ्रॉम पोल्युशन, फ्री फ्रॉम प्लास्टिक. And at the same time, our ward Victoria had also showcased the same, but the aspect was different.
तो सेम घेऊ शकता अशें काय हें ना?
Everybody is free to decide what they want to showcase, but how you showcase is what matters.
आनी तो फ्लोट परेड आसता पळय ताका ड्युरेशन कितकें दिता तुमकां तें?
20 minutes.
सो आमकां आतां परफॉर्मन्स जे आसता पळय ते पयलींच आमकां गमून दिता. PY पयले सगळे वॉर्ड मेंबर्साक आपूण मिटींग घेता, तातूंत लॉट्स काडचे आसता. सो तातूंत तुका लॉट पडटा ताजे प्रमाणे परफॉर्मन्स करचें पडटा. आतां आमच्या आतां वाड्यान आमचे 4 ते 5 ग्रूप जाताच. पयलीं धाकटी भुरगीं सगळीं नाचता, मागीर आमचे मदले आसता ते आमचे सगळे सिनियर वाड्यांतले, आनी फ्लोट आनी व्हडलो ग्रूप आमचो सगळे नाचता पळय. आनी आमकां परफॉर्म करपाक 20 मिनटां गावता. तातूंत आमी सगळे शोकेस करचे पडटा, आमचे डान्स फ्लोट सगळे आसता तातूंत.
खुबसो लोक
आतां पयले आमचे फ्लोट स्टार्ट जावचे पयलीं आमचे वॉर्ड मेंबर रिप्रेझेंटेटीव आसता पळय ते आमचे फ्लोटा वयर पयले थोडेशें डिस्क्रिप्शन दिता
मेन स्टेजीर वचून.
हय.
म्हाका सांग खुबशे लोक येता बोनेरा पळोवपाक सो तितून थोडे वळखीचे आसतात ते तुमकां मागीर थोडे इंटरेक्टूय करता सो तुमकां डिस्ट्रेक्शन बा जाता. खूब जाण फोटोज बा क्लिक करता, तुमी डिस्ट्रॅक्ट जाता?
पळय डिस्ट्रेक्शन कशें जातलें, डिस्ट्रेक्शन जायना तें. ती आतां तुका सपोज तुज्या वळखीचो दिसलो, तुजी उमेद वाडटा नाचूंक, तें डिस्ट्रेक्शन म्हूण जायना. तूं नाचता आनीक बरो नाचूंक सोदता.
तुका कितके वर्सां तूं हितून पार्टिसिपेट करता?
आतां हांव 3 वर्सांचो आसलो तेन्ना सावन पार्टिसिपेट करता बोनेरा. म्हजो पयलो फ्लोट जावन आसलो हाजो आमी आफ्रिका गेल्ले, वक्का वक्काचेर नाचलेली.
तू केन्ना ऑल गोवा फॅन्सी ड्रेस कॉम्पिटिशनान पार्टिसिपेट केला की तुवें ल्हानपणाच्यान हितून पार्टिसिपेट केला म्हणटा तूं?
ना हांवें केन्ना फॅन्सी ड्रेसान पार्टिसिपेट करूंक ना, पूण आमच्या गांवची खूब जाणां पार्टिसिपेट करता, भायलो लोक पार्टिसिपेट करता.
In Bonera, there is a all Goa fancy dress competition. So, what do you like to say about the fancy dress competition?
I mean, I think there's a senior and a junior group, and they each get 30 seconds to speak about what they're dressed as. And the rules are you come 1 day prior to Bonera if you want to participate, and you cannot have any political or religious depiction in it. Yeah?
Sir, what do you like to say about Diwar Island?
Oh my God, Diwar Island is a beautiful island, right? With lush green surroundings, beautiful people staying here, right? We have a ferry boat ferrying people from Diwar Island to the Ravandar side as well as on the Old Goa side. And we have a bus stop as well, which is very convenient to the people of Diwar Island for going from here to Balar as well as to the post office, to the school, or even to the ferry point, right? So this is one island which is so friendly in terms of community residing over here. That's it.
So, what's the one thing people still don't know about Diwar?
Oh, there are some spots which people still are not aware of, but that is why we have people like coming down to Diwar Island with a tourist itinerary, and then they take them around. We have some couple of temples in this place which still needs to be discovered and explored by a couple of people in Diwar as well as by the tourists.
So, how many years it's been for you to participating in the Bonera festival?
Well, I think Bonera is quite an old celebration, monsoon celebration, right? It's been there for many years. I think it's been almost about 8 to 9 years now that I'll be a part of it. But
तातूंत
it's been there before me also.
तातूंत एक कॉन्सेप्ट आसलो फटास्की म्हणून फटाशक्यो ते कित्याक बंद जाल्यो?
पोटाशी बंद जाल्लो कित्याक एक्चुली पोटाशी त्यो फ्लॅगाचेर मारपाच्यो आसताल्यो, पूण लोक एकामेकाचेर मारून मागीर झगडीं जावंक लागलीं आनी मागीर चड हें झगडीं जाता म्हणून मागीर पिवायेन ती बोनेरा पोटाशी स्टॉप केली.
मॅडम एक फ्लोट परेड आसता पळय तुमचे 6 वॉर्डान कॉम्पिटिशन जाता ते कितके हेल्थी कॉम्पिटिशन जावन आसता?
ते हेल्थी कॉम्पिटिशन कित्याक सगळीं एकदम हार्ड हे करता, प्रॅक्टीस करता, आपलें काम जाल्यार भुरगीं शिंकता तीं येता, मागीर कामाक वयता तीं येता टायमार, आनी सगळीं हेल्थी कॉम्पिटिशन कित्याक कोण जिखता तीं जिखता, कोण ना तीं ना, बट तें कांय ना, आमी कांय मोनान घेवन रावना. Take it as a sporting participation spirit. Yeah.
Basically, it's not about winning, it's about participating and having fun, and the ambience and the celebration, the great monsoon celebration that we have.
After the float parade completed of the all world, what's the next in the Bonera? People can see.
After the float is a massive beach show that happens where the band, we have live band, we have a DJ playing, which goes on and people just rock to that music over there. And it goes on till almost 10 o'clock because that's the time that is permitted.
And the same day, winners are announced of the float parade.
Yeah.
Last 5 years, you have won any first place or second place?
3 years ago we won the first place.
Yeah, and last year.
And we've always been in a very high spirit. Whether we win the first place or not, we are always in high spirit because our ward is very united. आमी शेंड्यार बसून आमी रॅली काडटा दुसऱ्या दिसा आनी तितलीच उमेद आनी तितलीच मजा.
Ma'am, what's your ward name?
Our ward name is Primero.
Why it is Primero?
We are the first ward closer to the church, so we are called Primero. Yeah, correct. And we are number 1.
Viva